Mr. Chairman, baka naghahanap ng budget. Naghahanap sila yung pera. Yung pera kagad yung target dito eh. The way they operated, hindi sila naghahanap ng mga armas, kundi yung bag, yung pera. That's what it is. Plain and simple, Mr. Chairman.
Lucky enough that these people, with the guidance of General Latates, nahawakan nila ang CCTV. Otherwise, makakalusot kayo. Pero this time, hindi kayo makakalusot. So we'll be showing yung dalawa. BWC, from the moment na binuksan ni Patrolman Acosta, mamaya we'll be asking Acosta, from the moment na binuksan niya yon, hanggang makarating sila doon sa Unit 11, na kung saan dumiretso na sila hanggang sa loob, and then nakat yung BWC, and then the CCTV, siya ang sumunod. So we will be trying to find out, no, kung anong ginawa nila in relation sa sinasabi nila, nakiklaim nila ngayon that pumasok muna sila bago binasahan. Okay, so ngayon, pakikita natin sa members of this committee what really happened. Pumasok yung mga grupo. And this what happened inside. Sa 27 minutes na nawawala dahil pinatigil ang BWC, nakita natin kung sino. Ayan, si Magsalos. Ayan, si Corpus. Ayan, si Democrito. Ayan, si Libara. Ayan, si Quijana. Ayan, si Pat Acosta. Andyan si Pio Quinto. Sa loob kayo lahat. Na supposedly, dapat, binabasahan nyo muna. Ang ginawa nyo, nagpaikot-ikot na kayo sa lahat.
Mr. Chairman, baka naghahanap ng budget. Naghahanap sila yung pera. Yung pera kagad yung target dito eh. The way they operated, hindi sila naghahanap ng mga armas, kundi yung bag, yung pera. That's what it is. Plain and simple, Mr. Chairman.
I must agree, Congressman Tulfo. And as a matter of fact, dito natin patutunayan that ang sinasabi nila ngayon, sinesecure nila ang perimeter. And that's the reason why si Major Magsalos, ang sinasabi nila, nandito na sila sa loob, samantalang ang kanilang trabaho ay mag-secure lang ng perimeter. But they roam around. They roam around sa lahat. Pasok sa kwarto, pasok sa CR. And as a matter of fact, this is the best direction that I ever seen in my entire life. Being a former movie actor, ito na ang pinaka-worst na direction na nakakita ko. Even the blocking, even the directing, hindi kayo papasa. Nag-ano ka dito eh. Di ba, Ara? Nag-Back to the Future ka. Nag-Michael J. Fox ka. Pagkatapos niyong pumasok sa loob, lumabas ka. Eto, binuksan niyo na yung BWC. Dito, binasahan mo na sila nung 12:59. 12:59, naayos nyo na sa lahat, lumabas ka, at binasahan nila ng kanilang search warrant. After na maayos nyo na sa loob, hindi kayo papasa sa amin eh. Kita mo, ang blocking mo nandun ka sa loob. Habang pinoproteksyon mo yung kwarto. Habang nagbabasa ng karapatan. Lucky enough that these people, with the guidance of General Latates, nahawakan nila ang CCTV. Otherwise, makakalusot kayo. Pero this time, hindi kayo makakalusot. Lahat kayo nagsinungaling. Lahat kayo artista, lahat kayo direktor. Inayos nyo ang loob ng 27 minutes and then you went out, Guevara, lumabas ka upang gawing tama. Binuksan nyo na uli ang BWC. At sa the BWC, okay, nalilabas nyo, yan na ang ginampanan ninyo. Maayos na lahat. Bad production. Bad direction. Lieutenant Guevara, Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, inamin mo doon sa inyong pre-investigation meeting with General Nartates that you have gotten 31 million plus 4.6 billion. Nasa video yan. Nandito sa video. Pwede namin pakita. At sinabi mo na meron kang binigyan ng 500,000. Sino ang binigyan mo ng 500,000?
I cannot recall, Mr. Chair.
Alam mo, Guevara, this is your chance to retrieve yourself.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
This is your chance to be honest with yourself, with your family.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Aminin mo na sa sarili mo dahil lalo kayong malulubog. Sino binigyan mo ng 500,000 in accordance with your pre-investigation meeting with General Nartates?
If I may recall, Mr. Chair, I mentioned in that conversation with the good regional director is, if I may recall, I mentioned there Major Magsalos, Mr. Chair.
So binigyan mo si Magsalos ng 500,000. Bakit mo siya binigyan ng 500,000?
I cannot recall, Mr. Chair, na dun sa video, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, bakit mo siya binigyan? Kayo nag-operate eh. Alam mo, binigyan mo siya ng 500,000 eh. Ikaw ba nagbigay o si Kihana?
Wala pa akong binigay, Mr. Chair. But,
Sino nagbigay ng 500,000? Ikaw nagsabi na bigyan ng 500,000 si Magsalos. Magsalos, tumanggap ka lang ng 500,000?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I did not receive any money, Mr. Chair.
Sa sinabi mo, Guevara, huwag na kayo mag-consult sa lawyer ninyo. Buko na kayo eh. Ang sinabi mo nagbigay ng 500,000 ay si Major Quijana. Major Quijana, yung sinabi mo ba dito, totoo hindi? Guevara?
Mr. Chair, during that time, I assumed that it was only a private conversation with the regional director. But when I arrived, Mr. Chair, I wasn't aware that I was being recorded in a video without.
Alam mo, Guevara, nakita na natin yung nangyari
Yes, sir,
ng 7 minutes eh.
Yes, Mr.
Alam nyo na mali ang ginawa ninyo eh. Alam nyo na kinalikot nyo na lahat to eh. Di ba? Makikita ko yung pera ngayon, yung video, na kung saan itinago pa ninyo. Makikita dyan, andyan lahat.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pato si Quijana. Quijana, ikaw ba nagbigay kay Magsalos ng 500,000? Yes or no?
No, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ka nagbigay ng 500,000?
Wala po akong binibigay.
Wala kang binibigay?
Opo.
Nakita mo pera sa kwarto? Yung mga pera, nakita mo? Yes or no?
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, may mga nakita pa akong pera. Yo.
May nakita ka mga pera doon?
Opo, yun.
Di ba? Magkano?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor. Hindi ko po masabi.
Hindi nyo alam eh. Sa operation, di ba? Meron kayo sinubmit na report?
Your Honor, nalaman lang na
Sa spot report,
nabilang lang
magkano
po yung
nilagay
pera.
Sa spot report, magkano nilagay nyo? Sa spot report, Quijana, ikaw ang ikaw ang head dyan, kayong dalawa ni Guevara. Magkano nilagay nyo sa spot report?
Sa unang spot report, Your Honor, sa pagkakatanda ko po, 4.6 million, Your Honor.
4.6. 4.6 ang nilagay ninyo. Yun ang pinakita nyo. At inuwi nyo yung 31 million. Is that correct?
No, Your Honor. Nag-inventory rin po kami sa opisina, Your Honor. Yung po,
Yun,
27 million.
nag-inventary kayo after na inuwi nyo yung pera. Di ba?
Your Honor, wala po kaming inuwing pera. Dinala po namin sa opisina yung pera, Your Honor, para inventaryohin.
Okay, tanungin natin si Lebunan, si Patrolman Lebunan saka si Garcia. Garcia. Kayo yung mga nakakita nung ng luggage na nilalabas yung pera eh. Can you kindly tell us in this committee what happened to that money that was inside the 2 luggages? As a matter of fact, the 2 luggages is here. Asan yung luggages? Na sinasabi mo, Demokrito, na inuwi mo na sa bahay, pero narito yung luggages na nanggaling sa DS. DPSU. DSOU. DSOU. Ayan, no? Andito ang luggage, oh. Pakita natin. Ayan ang luggage, oh. Alin na sa'yo dito, Demokrito? Alin yung inuwi mo dyan? Alin inuwi mo, Demokrito?
Yung pong kulay peach po yung dala ko nung sa hotel.
Bakit na sa kanila? Kung inuwi mo sa bahay mo?
Sa hotel po, dinala ko.
Hindi, kanina sinabi mo, na nasa DSOU na inuwi mo eh.
Hindi ko lang po
Nilagay mo
ma-recall,
sa
Your
kotse
Honor.
mo, sinabi mo, di ba?
Nalagay ko lang po sa kotse ko. Yun
Nalagay
lang
mo
po,
sa
Your
kotse
Honor.
mo,
Hindi
so-
ko ma-recall kung binitbit ko
Ba't
siya.
nasa kanila ngayon?
pauwi. Hindi ko na po ma-recall kung nabitbit ko po siya, Your Honor, pa uwi.
Mr. Chair.
Sige, tanungin natin si ano. Congressman ako, please.
In the last hearing, Mr. Chair, I move that we invite the two deponents of the police force when they applied for a search warrant. Now, may I know if they are present today, Mr. Chair? May I know if they are present?
We have invited the two deponents, Michael Nebosha and Rainier Makapat. Before you proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Salvador Plato of the 6th District of Bulacan, Region 3. Anybody can answer from the PNP. Sinong responsible para sa two deponents?
Mr. Chair, the two invited deponents in the person of Mr. Novesio and Mr. Makadat, the Northern Police District and the Quezon City Police District exerted all effort to locate these two persons at the given address, but unfortunately, as the certificate by the barangay given, they were not already present in the area, sir, or they are not residents of that place,
Warrant ni Speaker.
Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, sa tingin ko, hindi na po lalabas yung dalawang yun kasi maaaring pinagtago na ng mga may asset doon sa dalawa because itong dalawang ito, driver at saka bodyguard ng police na subject of the search warrant. So, kagaya na sabi ko last time, ito siguro ang nagsabi na yung Chinese na subject of the search warrant nag-withdraw in, I think, 4 or 5 days, 64 million sa Okada. So, Mr. Chair, may I move that we cite in contempt itong dalawang ito for failing to attend the hearing of this committee?
There's a motion
So
to
move.
there's a motion to cite in contempt the two personalities, si Michael Nebosha and Rainier. Ano yung apelyido ni Rainier? Makadat. Rainier Makadat E. Espinas and Michael Novesio E. Ramirez. Is there a second motion? Duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Next.
May I also move, Mr. Chair, that in the previous case of then Senator De Lima and Ronnie Bayan, may I request that we request the Speaker to issue a warrant of arrest for these two?
Okay, so there's a motion to issue a warrant arrest for these two personalities, namely Michael Nebosha and Rainier Makadat. Any second the motion?
Second
The
motion.
second the motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Next.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I will defer to the Honorable Tulfo for his interpellation. Thank you. I will
Before you,
join
proceed,
after.
Before you proceed, Congressman Tulfo, no? Kasi may pending question ako nung kay Garcia. Kay Garcia kasi he is the one who saw the money inside the luggage, the two luggages that are here. Major Garcia, can you kindly confirm na totoo ba yan na yung luggage na yan that was left in the DSOU, andyan ang pera na nilipat sa karton?
Yes, Your Honor. If I may, Your Honor, just a brief and concise narrative of the 27 million in question, Your Honor. May I proceed, Your Honor? Your Honor, noong September 17, 2023, at around past 2 p.m., dumating po yung aming dalawang officer, Your Honor, in the person of Lieutenant Colonel Guevara and Major Quijana. At ang sabi nila sa amin, Your Honor, sinabihan ako at ang aking tatlong investigador, si PMSG De Leon, PSSG Ruiz at saka si Patrolman Adena, na gumawa daw po kami, Your Honor, ng special report. Dahil ang sabi nila, Your Honor, magde-declare daw sila ng additional na evidence na cash, Your Honor. Nag-usap-usap kami, Your Honor, ng aking tatlong investigador, Your Honor. Hindi po kami pumayag, Your Honor, kasama po yung searcher namin na si Patrolman Mambong. Dahil una sa lahat, Your Honor, yung search na nangyari po sa Sulemare tapos na. Pangawala po, Your Honor, yung searcher po namin ayaw niyang tayuan yung pinapagawa nila sa amin. Kaya po, nagsalita si Major Quijana, ang sabi niya sa amin, kung ayaw niyong tayuan yan, yung bata ko na lang ang tatayo dyan. Doon na po pumasok, Your Honor, yung pinapalabas nila na statement na yun daw karton na naglalaman ng pera ay tinuro ng Chinese sa kanila. Yun ho, Your Honor, ang inimbento nilang drama. So, pagkatapos ng Your Honor, pagdating ng alas 10 na ng gabi, dumating po sila, Your Honor, dala-dala po nila yung dalawang traveling bag, Your Honor, na yung dalawang luggage, Your Honor, na iniwan nila later on sa DSOU. Pumasok po sila sa kwarto ng aming Chief DSOU, Your Honor. Tapos pagkatapos nila doon, Your Honor, binuksan po nila yung luggage. Tapos po, Your Honor, para maipalabas nila na yung pera galing nga sa box, from sa luggage, Your Honor, transfer nila sa karton, Your Honor. Doon na po nautusan, Your Honor, si Corporal Lebuna na bumili ng packaging tape para magamit nila doon, Your Honor, sa pag-wrap ng pera. So, Your Honor, nung matapos yung ginawa nila, Your Honor, dumating po yung media representative na pinatawag nila, Your Honor. Nagsimula po ang inventory ng pera at hindi naman po nagsisinungaling yung ginamit na alternative recording device. Nagsimula po ang inventory ng pera ng 12:54 AM ng September 18, 2023, Your Honor. 2 days after the operation. So kinabukasan, Your Honor, doon na kami nag-inquest. Doon na po lumabas yung first progress report na ginawa mismo ng ating chief, Your Honor. Antedated siya ng September 16, 2023, pero ipinareceive sa aming SPD talk ng September 18 ng 1:17 PM na nga po, Your Honor. Yun po ang kwento ng 27 million, Your Honor, in question.
So in other words, talagang nagkaroon ng attempt to change the narrative of all the that happened, no? And fortunately, merong BWC na cut ng 27 minutes at yung nakuha sa CCTV that was submitted to us, that answer the missing link. That in their best judgment, curing by having another scenario will cure the problem. But unfortunately, it was a bad decision that deemed to failed. Before you proceed, Congressman Tulfo, I just wanted to share ito yung CCTV that was submitted to us para at least makita natin kung ano yung nakita doon sa loob ng kwarto. Ito yung nasa loob ng kwarto na kung saan ito yung pinagtatalo ng CR na kung saan sinasabi based on the report that was submitted to us that we were able to read ay hindi pinapapasukan yung CR na yon because of all this money that was seen inside. Ito yung moment na pumasok na sila sa loob and at the same time pumasok na sila dito, lahat ng operatiba dito sa kwartong to sa pamumuno ni Major Quijana and Magsano and Colonel Guevara. In accordance to what I read sa report, these are all money, and those in the black are also black, are also money. Colonel Magsalos, ikaw ay isang perimeter pero andiyan ka na sa loob. Ito, hindi ko alam kung sino to isang to, but I think they have recanted as well, no? Sila nagsabi na ito ang mga nakita sa loob. Sabi mo kanina, Kihana, hindi mo nakita yung pera, hindi mo nakita. Ikaw pa nagtakip ng pera. Anyway, in other words, we have seen the other side of the 27 minutes. And with that, this chair would like to recognize Congressman Erwin Tulfo.
Mr. Chair, thank you very much. Some of our congressmen here are going to attend other meetings, and then so may I suggest, Mr. Chair, that all these officers here present who had been lying to their teeth, may investigador na lumabas ng investigasyon ng PNP, tapos napapailing nila itong dalawa nating mga kasamahan ng mga dating senior police officers and they're very veteran police officers. I would suggest, Mr. Chair, habang nagsisinungaling itong mga ito dahil hindi pa naman po sila ayaw nilang umamin sa panluloko, panghuhut-hut, whatever you want to call it, may I suggest that we cite them in contempt, Mr. Chair. After all, Mr. Chair, yung kwarto natin sa baba, marami ng alikabok at walang nakatira. So kailangan na nung detention center natin ng tao para naman malinis ng konti. So I would suggest we cite these police officers in contempt today.
Okay, before we take action on the motion of Congressman Erwin Tulfo, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Paduano. And before we take cognizance on your motion, a minute of suspension.